take advantage of the injured leg now. Oh, look at this.
We wouldn't have
Roddy
that problem.
Piper, if that were your leg, you would be feeling that right about now.
That was my leg. I would have been kicking him in that big snout with the other one.
And again.
The Anvil's in trouble right now because Flair is a leg wrestler. Piper, you know that.
No question, because Flair is the master of the figure 4 leg lock.
What am I, Chuck Beef?
In no way, Mr.
What
Piper.
exactly are you trying to say?
In no way am I trying to insinuate that.
You think I can't beat him? Is that what you're trying to say?
I don't think Vince McMahon said that. He's wrong in a lot of things that he says and does, but not in this particular point.
Well, I would wonder.
You would wonder.
So it'll happen and we'll see.
I would wonder. This guy is such an accomplished wrestler. The cover one. We get two.
And I'm not. Is that what you're saying?
Not in any way. One of the greatest of all time, Hot Rod.
I am the one that scares Flair. Look this way, baby. Come on up.
Oh, no. Right now, Ric Flair is intent on going to work and proving a point, it looks like, on the part of the Anvil. Down into the way.
You see, the Anvil and I would take a little different approach. I'm not in there to beat the real world champion. I'm there to beat him up. There's a big difference, and I'm the best doctor beater there is. Don't you cut me off.
Here it is. Here's the figure 4 right there, Piper.
Can the Anvil hang on?
Come on, Jim.
Come on, Jimmy.
Hang on, he's fighting it. He's fighting
You
it.
can do
He
it.
doesn't want to submit. He doesn't want to.
He's got it on too tight.
Flair really sinking it down deep now. Rocking back, adding more pressure.
Reach for the rope.
That's
Oh,
it.
man.
And that is a testament to the pressure. Rick, come on,
let it go.
Hey, come on, let it go.
Piper, sit down. Sit
Sit
down.
down.
Sit
How am I
down.
supposed to sit down?
And I just wonder what would happen.
Help each other.
I wonder what would happen if Roddy Piper were in the clutches of Ric Flair, and it was you, Piper, who had the figure 4 leg lock put on him.
If I had to figure 4 lock on Ric Flair, is that what you're saying?
No, look at this.
Yeah.
Dignity.
Yeah, you look at it. Dignity, my butt.
Indignity.
I don't care what you're saying. Bottom line is get up and get your elbows up to his ear. Oh,
No. He's grabbing the ropes for more leverage. I know that.
This is the technician you've been talking about, right, McMahon? This is the fair, square guy. See that sign says, Roddy? This is the fair, square guy you've been talking about. He ain't nothing but a pig and a pretentious pretender.
Those are heavy words, but
I'm not saying too much about his tactics as far as his aggression is
You
concerned.
were earlier.
No, I'm not.
About technique, you know it all.
I'm not saying
Go
that.
right a yuck.
Hey, come
That's
on,
a
calm
killer.
down, will you?
isn't this match over?
So now what is this?
This is ridiculous. This is
Oh,
absurd.
now it's ridiculous. First of all, he was a great technician. Now he's ridiculous, right?
Fans looking over this way. Roddy, sit
Let
down.
me down there.
No, get down. We're going to help each other, Piper. Man, we can't mess up now.
Finally, the officials stopping Ric Flair for doing yet more damage to
I
the
don't
leg.
recognize that belt. I don't recognize it.
Ric Flair
How
attempting
dare
to
you
make a
point
point.
that at me? At 10 pounds on 10, I'll shut that right up.
Ric Flair is making a point here this week. And he defeated an extraordinary wrestler. Will he defeat Roddy Piper? Will he defeat Hulk Hogan? Will he be